You're welcome back to my channel. So I'm glad to be here again. So in my last video we'll look at the consonant, the French consonant, and today we'll be diving into the nasal consonants. And so if you are new on this space, this is where we learn French. We create amazing content, we create helpful content to help in this area: reading, writing, and speaking. So you are on the right spot if this is what you are looking for. Do well to like this video if you find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's dive into today's lesson. In French language, we have three basic nasal consonants, just as we did in my previous video where we looked at the vowels. We have the oral vowels, the nasal vowels, and the semi-vowels. So also we have with the consonant, we have the consonant itself, which are the oral ones. We have the nasal consonant, and we have the semi-consonant. So today we'll be dwelling on the nasal consonant, and we have just three basic nasal consonants in French. So these are the three basic nasal consonants. We have the m, n, and ñ. So let's look at how they function in words. We have the M from our French alphabet, which we looked at in my previous video. We say this is M, letter M, but it gives the sound m, m, m. So let's start. Let's look at how they are used in words. We have it in words like ma, m. Can we hear the m sound? So that is the sound. We have it in me, la me, la me. That is your hands. We have it in words like which means man, man. We have it in words like femme, which means woman. So let's continue. We have the N sound, like we said in our French alphabet, but it gives the sound n. In words like nous, can we hear the sound nous? N. It means we. Nous avons une grande maison. We have a big house. Nous. We have anima. Anima. A, n, 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 n. The n sound. Hope we can hear it. So this is normal animal in the singular form. But if it is in the plural form, we have animaux. But here we have it in the singular form, which is anima, which is normal animal, just like in English language. So we have it in words like donne, donne. Can we hear the n sound? N, n, donne, ne. So donne, which means to give. So let's continue. We have the ñ sound in words like pagne. Can we hear the ñ sound? Pagne, 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 which means a wrapper. So we have in words like signe. Can we hear the ñ sound? Signe, like sign. Je te ferai un signe à plus tôt, ou bien à bientôt. I'll give you a sign very soon, or I'll let you know soon. So it could mean to give a sign to somebody, or basically it means sign. So let's continue. We have agneau. Can we hear the ñ sound? Agneau, which simply means lamb. They say agneau dodo. For those who understand what that means. So agneau means lamb. We have soigner, which means to take care of oneself. So we have one extra one. If you make your research and you go even online, you see an additional sound with the nasal consonant in this format. We have it this way. This sound is also a nasal consonant in French, but it was gotten via some borrowed words in English language, in words like camping, shopping. So this is the ing sound, like camping, shopping, packing. So you can also find this as a nasal consonant, but it was from English language because it was borrowed from the language. But these three, the M, N, and the N, sound are the basic nasal consonants in French language, and the borrowed one, which is the ng sound from the word camping, shopping, Can we hear the ng sound at the end of it? Parking, camping, shopping. So you can make use of those words also in French language. So let me know at the comment section how well you find this video useful, and if you have anything as regarding the nasal consonants, let's talk at the comment section. So do it to like and share my videos if you find them useful, and don't forget to subscribe, so that you will always be notified when I drop my videos. And for those who have subscribed, thank you, and let's keep learning French, let's keep growing the community, and let's keep having fun. See you in my next video.